At one point or another, women have heard men say it is dangerous for them to stay without intercourse. Some will even say if they do not have intercourse, they might lose their penis. But guys, is it really dangerous to stay without intercourse? Can their penis suffer from lack of sex? Well, it is on a bit of a yes and no part. Just like the female sexual organ, lack of intercourse can have an impact on the penis. And there are a couple of things that can happen which can be expected and some unexpected. So if you want to know more about these things, please do well to watch this video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Pep. I'm a registered nurse BNSC, and on this channel we'll talk about nursing, lifestyle vlogs, feminine health and everything in between. And if this is your first time setting your eyes on this beautiful face, please don't make the last by clicking on the subscribe button down below. And with that being said, let's get right into this video. Number 1, increased risk of erectile dysfunction. So according to research, it is being said that men who indulge in sexual intercourse have lesser risk of developing erectile dysfunction compared to men who abstain totally from sex, or even men who have it less frequently. This is because the penis is a muscle, and just like every other muscle, you need to exercise it. Number 2 is decreased libido. Although this is not similar for everybody, some men who abstain from sexual intercourse for a long time may develop decreased libido. This is due to reduction or low testosterone. Number 3, arousal can plummet. This is similar to saying when a person has abstained for a long time, they might not desire or want to have intercourse very frequently, or even the thoughts of having intercourse might not really be in their mind so much. So in this case, they might not really get aroused as they ought to, and this is completely normal. It is one of the side effects of not having intercourse. The good thing is that immediately you start indulging, you get all your libido back in action. Number 4 is increased risk for prostate cancer. The more you ejaculate, the lower your risk of having prostate cancer. However, a number of factors can also play a key role in influencing a man's risk of having cancer, and this includes your diet and also family history. Number 5, the penis can lose its size and also its shape. Regular intercourse keeps the penis in shape. It keeps it toned because this exercise involves the flow of blood around the penis. This is similar to exercising your muscle to make it toned. However, shortening of the penis doesn't happen in all cases, but it does occur. So men who can't get erection due to trauma or damaged nerve of blood vessels in their penis are more prone to shortening of their penile length. And this also can make the penis shrink from about 1 to 2 centimeters. So the last but not the least thing that can happen is having fear and anxiety. So when an individual has not indulged for a long time, be it male or female, they might exercise a bit of fear and being anxious. But then again, it is perfectly normal. It's just like telling somebody to do something that they've not done for a very long time. They might get scared and all of that. So you just have to bring yourself to that situation, calm yourself down, and just do it the way you want it to go, and you'll be perfectly fine. I'd also like to state that this video is not a sex advocacy one. If you decide to want to be celibate, that is perfectly fine. And if you are married, if you want to stay celibate as well in your marriage, that is fine. I am not imposing being sexually active on you. This video is just for enlightenment. It is just to tell the male folks what can happen to their body when they do not indulge in sexual activity. Again, I'd like to state that if you are married and you deem fit to abstain for a couple of while for whatever reason, it is totally fine as long as you keep your marriage healthy as possible. So yeah guys, this is the end of this video. If you have found this video really helpful, do well to smash on the like button, subscribe if you haven't, drop a comment down below, let me know your thoughts about this video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.